Hello and welcome. Now in this video we're going to start working with the next menu over, and that's the insert menu. When you see the insert menu, there are going to be several submenus. You'll see the slide menu, you'll see the slides menu, which was also in the home menu. You'll see the ability to insert a table, that's the table submenu. You'll see the ability to insert several different kinds of images, and that's the images submenu. You'll be able to insert several different kinds of illustrations, and that's the illustration submenu. You'll be able to insert add-ins to your PowerPoint, and we will cover this in a separate video. And you'll also be able to do what is called a zoom, and this is something that is fairly new in PowerPoint. You'll also be able to create zoom, and this is a way to make your presentation more dynamic, as well as to insert links, hyperlinks, and action buttons. You'll be able to insert comments, and this will help you to work with others on your document. And then you'll be able to insert areas where you will input content. For example, you can place text boxes, you can place a header and a footer, word art, the date and time, and all of this will be based on content that you place in. When you're looking for special symbols to insert, you'll be able to use these. When you're looking for symbols to insert, you can use the symbols submenu. And then you can also insert multimedia, and you can do that through the media submenu. If you want to insert flash or flash videos, you can do that if you want to insert flash applications and flash videos, you can do that through this flash section. Now, one thing that expands the scope of what your PowerPoint can do is to be able to use the add-ins section. And to do that, you can go to the add-in store and click Browse Office Store. And then you'll have suggested to you applications that you can add to your PowerPoint presentation. And if you have ideas on things that you'd like to search for to find out if they'll be available to your PowerPoint add-in, you can use the search box. Otherwise, you can look through those that have been given to you. For example, maybe you want to use your PowerPoint presentation to do a mind map. If that's the case, you might type in mind map. You would then search. You'll see here that there is a free trial available for something called Mind-O-Mapper. There's also Visual Paradigm Online, which is a free application but might require additional purchases. So again, what you're doing is you are extending the capability of your PowerPoint application by using applications that you can install to it to give you more options in your PowerPoint presentation. Now, to cover everything would be beyond the scope of this course. However, we are going to cover individually in a video. We're going to cover the insertion of images. We're also going to cover the insertion of multimedia. Now, one thing that you'll note is that PowerPoint 2016 gives you the ability to insert 3D models. And so we can insert either a 3D model from a file that we already have, or we can insert one from an online source. And Microsoft gives us several royalty-free images that we can choose from. And for example, let's say that we choose the electronics section, and then we decide to insert a laptop, and we're going to click Insert. What you'll notice about the laptop when you insert it is that we can turn the laptop different areas so that we can see a 3D perspective. Now, this is solely using the 3D model menu, but it's another aspect of your PowerPoint presentation that you can use to your advantage. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.